how to create a signature on Gmail. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can basically create a signature on your Gmail account to basically be shown whenever you send an email. Simply open up Gmail on your computer, and then after that click on the top right on the settings button, then click on see all settings. And once you click on see all settings, now you guys are basically going to be able to see many different settings come up. Simply scroll down, and then after that simply click on a signature over here. Click on create new, and then simply give it a name. So I'll type in main business signature, and then after that click on create. And then once you click on create, that's gonna basically show you many different options to basically get started with your signature. So now from over here, just simply type in Google Gmail signature sample. So simply type that in over here, and then just simply copy and paste some good examples that you guys like, because of course you guys can just simply copy them and you can simply modify them. So you guys have so many options over here. I will from over here just simply copy the first one, which is this one. Just come back over here, paste it over here, and then after that just simply put in your name, a title, a company, and you can modify stuff or add stuff into it depending upon your needs. So once you're done, simply click on save changes, and then your changes are going to be saved. And now whenever you send an email, your signature is going to be added at the bottom of that email. So guys, this was the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, goodbye.